I made a video on chemtrails, and I get a lot of argument that chemtrails don't exist or contrails, and now even YouTube, I guess, is saying that these are contrails. So I'm doing this video. This is the CRWS map of the jet stream, and we had such severe chemtrailing over California, Northern California. And it just so happens right where I live, a low pressure system pops into existence and then disappears. There's no cloud formation coming. These cumulus clouds that I was taking pictures of on my last video were manufactured on site. They didn't drift in. They come in every night towards the central California area. But you can see the low pressure system popping on the map and off the map right there. You just saw it. Let's watch it one more time. You can see the jet stream is going directly south, and then up towards Canada is going directly north. But watch this low pressure system pop on and disappear. It's right there. So these are definitely chemtrails. Sometimes they have a cooling effect, but the idea of the chemtrail is to stop the jet stream, cause an inversion layer, stop the rainfall, redirect the weather, redirect the jet stream. Not only that, but it's a carcinogen, it's bad for you, it's deadly. Mass population control. Not to mention that these storms, these chemtrails that I've been showing you for years, and I've said this in the beginning, they form on the west coast. That's why I see them. That's why I take pictures of rainbow clouds all the time. That's why I see the chemtrails. I see what's going on. And then they work their way back east. And why do you think you're having torrential flooding and tornadoes, and all the food crops are being wasted? Where do you think those storms are coming from? I'm watching them. I'm showing you them being manufactured. The people in America need to wake up. You need to take your government back.